What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. I just filmed this Violet Voss makeup look, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, you can check it out here. I'm doing an unboxing today. A lot of unboxings today, actually. So the one I have in front of me is the Ipsy January box. It is, I believe, the BoxyCharm, so the extra. Let's see what January is about. 2026 is your year to say yes to it all. Experimenting with new eye looks, as we just did. Swiping on fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brands. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. I literally love that because, oh look, she has purple makeup on. How funny. See that? I literally love that because a lot of people wait for the perfect moment to try something new or to get into something or to do a new endeavor or whatever it is. There is literally no such thing as the perfect moment. Everything happens in perfect timing. I do believe that. But as far as like you making a decision based off whether you're ready or not, you just have to rip off the band-aid and go for it. Like, you will become ready as you move through the motions of doing something new. Anyways, that's my 2 cents. Let's get into the box. I don't think I had any add-ons this month. Like, I didn't add on any extra products. I've been really good about not spending extra. So first thing I see is this Dermalectives Pure Skin Cleansing Brush. Ooh. I had a cleansing brush maybe last year, one that I kept in the shower, and it worked fine. This one looks a little more intensive, so I'm really excited to try this out actually. Then is the First Aid Hydrogel Dewy Eye Cream. I do believe I selected this product. She is thick. Okay, it has literally no smell. No smell, totally scent free. Then is the Clarks Botanical Deep Moisture Mask. Ooh. I'm trying out some new lighting, so let me know if you guys prefer this or my other lighting better. I feel like this gives more true color to what's happening here. Instead of the light being in my face and really washing things out, I tried to put them behind the camera. It's a Daily Moisture Plumping Cream. Ooh, this smells really nice. It's crazy thick. It smells like a spa. I feel like I'm really going to enjoy this product. This is like up my alley type of product. Okay, next is the Rem Beauty Midnight Shadow in Fembot. Woo! Should I do an Austin Powers inspired look? Oh my god. Leave me like a cloud or like a whipped cream can. Are you joking? Look at this. Oh my god. You guys. This is... oh. Okay. It's not crazy pigmented, but the glitter is insane. I don't even think that's showing up. It is like a holographic copper and pink glitter. That would actually look so pretty on what I have. I love this, and like the few products I've tried from Rem Beauty are really good. They make really simple, usable products, which I appreciate. Okay, next is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Biscotti. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, I do think I added this on because I needed another eyebrow pencil, so I did add this one on. Whoopsie. Okay, next is the Beauty Stat Lip Serum in Baby Pink. Okay, aw, this is like so cute to throw in your beach bag. Did I also add this on? Let me swatch it on my hand. Ooh, it is like thick. This is very thick. I feel like this is gonna be awesome at the beach because it does have SPF 30 in it. I love an SPF lip balm. I did order this one. I did also order this one. This didn't come in this box, but I got this Tulip sunscreen 40 plus. So these two are gonna be like all summer at the beach. I'm preparing. Summer's coming. Okay, next in this box is the Chica Beauty Matte Liquid Eyeliner in black. Okay, Chica Beauty, I've had a few products from them. Whoa, the component is like so cool. Super thin. Let's see how she does. Wow, very black. It is a little watery, so I could already see it's like seeping into the lines on my hand. Definitely getting some run in it. So far, not a great start. I will do a smudge test once it dries down, but we'll see about that. Next is the Dallas & James Skincare Watermelon Dream. This is overnight retinol. I did also choose this product. You guys, I am just feeling so good. I had a pretty hard week. If you watch my vlog 6, you could see like what I went through emotionally. Some of you may know, I don't know, I went through a really bad breakup in May, and it was one of the longest relationships I've ever had. It was with someone who I wanted things to work with so bad. I really thought they were my person, and sadly it just did not work out. Things kept getting more and more toxic as time went on, and we were both pretty awful to each other in the end. We both did things, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. But this week I found out he's been seeing someone since summer, and I left in May. Like, that's very soon, and it's not just someone, it's like his ex he went back to. So if you want to see all that I went through this week, you can check out my vlog here. But now it's Sunday, and I'm feeling really good. Like, I'm feeling really, really good. I spent the week processing my emotions, and I'm just feeling really good. So anyways, this is the Watermelon Dream Overnight Retinol. I love a good retinol product. So, ooh, beautiful. That is a gorgeous little color. It smells like watermelon. Oh my god, so juicy. I love that. Yay! And then I did get another little Tarte Mini Concealer Traveler. I know I said I didn't order any add-ons, but I guess I did, you guys. Oh no. This is a great product. So I got a little mini travel. I'm so embarrassed. I really thought I did not add any on. And then this is a Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin in Flushed Rose and Brunch. This is like a mini, which is great for traveling. Did I add this on also? I don't know. But the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin has become one of my favorite products. This one does not seem to have any shimmer in it. Oh, so creamy. Holy cow. Gorgeous. Look at that color. It is like the perfect flush of color, and it's just such a cute little mini for traveling. If you don't already know, I have 2 other colors. This one's my absolute favorite. This is Unbothered, and this one is Low Key, which is more like a peachy. So, little mini guy. Love that. Then is the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer in YN6. Oh my god, I ordered this also. Okay, don't trust me when I say I don't order anything, because I definitely did. I'm almost out of my YN6. This is the best concealer ever. This and the NARS like old school concealer. Yes, go get it. And this did come in the box. This is Delish Lip Balm in Sacha. What is these? Okay. It's this one right here. It's almost like a mocha color. I know the tube looks like a mauve rose, but it's like a rose, but it leans a little more brown. Very nice. You guys, that is what was in my Ipsy January Extra. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching. I forgot to do the smudge test. Okay, so it does not smudge, even though it did bleed at first. This eyeliner does not smudge, so I'll give it a go. Love you guys. Bye.